Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing what to do after this significant bearish momentum or the sell off triggering in the market from some around 1958 ending till some around 1851, some around 110 points movement downwards in the gold. Now what the trader should do is that in my yesterday forecast we expected or we predicted that we have drawn this particular support zone in a range of some around 1858 till some around 1853, and we were expecting a reversal from here of this kind of this bearish momentum. Now as expected we did see a bullish momentum and we have given a signal to go long some around. We have given a signal to go long some around 1858 with our stop losses were placed some around 1835, and our take profit was of this particular resistance zone of some around 1937. Now coming on the today's opportunity or the short term opportunities, what a trader might do now in order to recover losses, as I know many weren't expecting this kind of sell off in the market, and all over on the internet we were seeing that the gold would be breaking this particular resistance zone and we would see an high momentum entering in the market due to the uncertainty created by the election. However, the fundamental news of COVID vaccine entering in the market unexpectedly or untimely, due to which we did see a huge sell off, and the traders who have taken long positions have hit their stop losses if placed, and the traders who haven't placed their stop losses would have blown their account or would be in a very deep losses. Now coming on the opportunities in order to recover the losses is that we are again bullish for the market until and unless if the market does not close below this particular support zone in a range of 1858 till 1853. If we did see the market did closed below 1840 till 1830, that would be a very sharp signal that we would expect a bullish, that we would expect the continuation of this particular bearish momentum. Now coming on the current opportunities, what we are expecting is that we can particularly highlight a ascending channel being made in the market on an hourly chart. This would be the particular support zone of the ascending channel. And this would be the particular resistance of the ascending channel. Now where we should go for a long position would be on a retest towards this particular support zone, either in a range of 1871 or either in this particular support zone. So our stop losses would be placed below the support zone some around, with our entry trigger point would be some around 1871, with our stop losses placed some around 1848, with our first take profit would be placed some around 1896, and our final take profit would be placed some around this particular resistance zone of some around 1937. Keep in mind we are again bullish for the market, and usually this kind of sell off would be recovered. However, we should give the market some time in order to recover this kind of bearish momentum, and I am sure that we would recover this particular bearish momentum in a time span of 1 to 2 weeks. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.